Vashtorr, also known as Vashtorr the Arkifane, who bears the titles of Master of the Soul Forges and God in the Machine, is the greater demon of chaos who rules over the Forge of Souls, where demon weapons and demon engines are forged within the Immaterium's realm of chaos. Vashtorr serves chaos undivided and claims to have no connection to any of the four major chaos gods, having come into existence in the warp as a result of mortals' obsessive pursuit of technological innovation at all costs, especially inventions that resulted in unexpected and terrible consequences. Vashtorr is the demonic demigod of inventors, engineers, scientists, and artisans. His curiosity and innovation shorn of moral consequence and driven it to its darkest extremes. Empowered by the ceaseless inquiring of mortal minds, Vashtorr embodies the mortal need to understand and then enslave natural forces to their will, and to eventually achieve technological apotheosis at any cost. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.